Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. For today I'm doing my everyday makeup look for you. So I'm currently in Indianapolis right now. We're about to head to a museum and I thought what better way to make use of this hotel's beautiful mirror with a awesome lighting than to film an everyday makeup look as I'm about to for real get ready and go out. So yeah, if you're ready to see how I do this look that's simple and easy to do in a really short time, then please keep watching.
Alright, so we're starting off with the foundation, and I'm using Maybelline Fit Me foundation in Warm Honey. So as you can tell, I obviously use this product so much from the number of times I have to shake the bottle to get some of it out. But anyways, yeah, I'm going to blend this all out with my Dip Beauty blender. So for my everyday makeup look, I try to keep it as natural but also somewhat a medium coverage. So I try to just only use like one layer of foundation, and if there's anything else that I need to conceal, I'll just use my concealer. For my concealer, I'm using the MAC NC35, and I'm just going to warm the product up with my finger because I just moved over from Singapore to Indiana and the change in weather kind of dries up the product. So I'm just going to put that all over where I want to conceal like my acne spot. So the best way to like conceal that is to just dab on it and not like smear it all over its place. So yeah, I'm just going to also apply this under my eyes where I want to conceal, and for this product a little goes a long way, so you don't need to use a lot because it's pretty high coverage, I feel. So yep. Now to set all of that in, I'm using my Dip Beauty blender with this Catrice translucent powder, and I'm gonna put it under my eyes as well as my T-zone area like my nose, chin, and forehead. And I'm also just gonna put a little more under my eye just to set it in because I feel like it tends to wrinkle a bit, kind of. So yeah, I'm just gonna put a little more over there. So I like to start off with my whole face first before moving on to like my brows and mascara. So I'm just gonna somewhat contour my face with this Tarte Trio highlight contour palette. I'm just using the contour shade on my eyelids as well as my under eye, and then I'm gonna also contour my nose with that, and that'll be it for contouring. So with a highlight shade on that same palette, I'm just going to put that on the tip of my nose as well as the bridge, just a tiny bit, just to make it look natural. And then I'm also going to put that on my brow bone and just like spread that all around. And then I'm going to use my Dip Beauty blender and put that on my cheekbones because I feel like it gives the most natural look and not very powdery kind of, because it looks very like what's that word, like it comes from within. So I'm just gonna put that, like blend it out with towards my brow bone as well as my temple area, and that'll be it for highlight. So with this Maybelline Fit Me blush, I'm just going to use the tiniest bit with my stippling brush and just in circular motion to spread that all around. But for this side of my face that has a little more like acne spots, I don't want to kind of like mess up the concealing that I did, so I'm just going to stipple it on. And now that we're done with that, I'm going to move on to the eyebrows. So for this I'm using my e.l.f. eyebrow kit, the gel side of it. And I'm just going to fast forward this because it's pretty basic, but if you guys want me to like do a eyebrow tutorial kind of, then just let me know in the comments and then I'll have a video coming up real soon with that. So yeah, so now that we're done with the eyebrows, I'm gonna move on to the mascara. I'm just gonna curl my eyelashes with this Shuimura eyelash curler, and just moving on to the mascara bit with this Catrice Glamour Doll Volume Mascara, and just gonna put that on my upper and lower eyelash. And here's the really glamorous shot of me doing that silly face that everyone does when they put on the mascara, so don't mind me. I'm just going to put on a bit of lip balm before doing my lipstick, and this is a Wet n Wild lipstick in Mocha Licious, my favorite lipstick of all, with the perfect pink and brown shade.
Alright, so this is the final look, my everyday makeup look for for the last few weeks. If you do enjoy watching this video, do give it a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below. And if you'd like to watch any other videos or like me to do any videos for you in the future, just leave it down in the comments. Apart from that, I have nothing else to say except thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.